still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught. Kiki ya, 19 inch sebelah kanan ya. Tengah-tengah. Kiki ya, 16 ya.
Under the seat in front of you, thank you.
Oh no!
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the prime and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10s, I'm so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the ride. Yeah, let's go. Hey bro, hey I ain't never giving up. Shit, I never give up. I got this and I got it. I will rock when I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block when I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous, honest. Keep crying, I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, better back, making racks where it's at. And my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, no we act, no we act. Keep the black up your back, all I'm black, doesn't stop. Going down, give a clap, we relay some of that. Got a plan better than most plans, goddamn. I'm a rhyme till I got, never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I can try, get the dime, that I'm right, yeah. Yeah, hopping in and out the studio like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to everything's inflated, mainly, everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man I really hate it. God I really hate it, I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, looking for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive. I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, get it, bro. So now just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it, yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion and that's when it happens. Fact sheets and actions, trapped in their captains. It's happening, I'm raising my status.
RM saja untuk kicin. Okey, seterusnya kita ada fridge magnet atau pelek.
Letak peti ais, boleh letak dekat freezer, boleh letak dekat whiteboard dekat office boleh. Okey, ada 6 dekat dalam, harganya RM30 untuk fridge magnet. Okey, so ada 6 lebih kurang RM1 je. Okey, dah satu set harganya RM30 untuk fridge magnet. Suasana, siapa yang suka rumah pelancong ataupun travel, kita ada adapter, USB adapter.
Ada adapter. The best thing about this adapter is you boleh pakai dekat 150 negara. You pergi UK, pergi US, pergi Thailand, pergi Vietnam, pergi Indonesia.
Okey, kepada kanak-kanak kita ada this one is coloring books ataupun set pewarna. Okey, daripada Crayola kita
Dansons la capuce.
kalau dekat dinding, sebab kali dia takkan keluar.
Okey, sebab colour dia tak akan keluar. Okey, colournya hanya akan keluar dekat buku mewarna je saja. It's a magic pen. So, you tak payah risau pun lukis colour kat mana pun. Right? So, harganya RM45 untuk set mewarna.
Beli dekat Sephora harganya RM210. Kita jual hari ni RM175 saja. Kecil je, tapi senang kalau nak bawa pergi travel. Boleh letak dalam handbag.
Okey, so tak payah nak bawa besar-besar botol-botol dengan perfume. Okey, so kita jual RM175 saja untuk perfume. Dan juga kita ada Elizabeth Arden Bourbon, is a green tea smell. Sampai suka rumah bau green tea, this one very nice for you. Okey, ada 2 botol kita jual. Okey, kalau you beli dekat JBO harganya RM150. Dapat 1 botol. Kita jual 2 botol RM105 sahaja untuk hari ni. Okey, so kalau kat JBO RM150 dapat 1 je. Kita jual 2 RM105. Okey, dapat.
Mak Jacobs ada, kita ada Paco Ramen perfume ada. Okey, this one for girls. Untuk lelaki kita ada Hugo Boss dan juga Paco Ramen. Okey, kita ada 2 jenis perfume for guy dan lelaki. So
Ini dah start your pocket. Transaction approved. You check whether duit dekat bank dah tak ada yang kena pay wave. Okay, so this one your protection of that. You will secure your card from kena pay wave.
Okey, pada akak-akak nak cantik macam Siti, kita ada produk Simplicity, cosmetic items lah. Okey, kita ada Simplicity 2SK Compact Powder.
Boleh dapat sign daripada Siti Hariza juga. Ada sign dia sekali. Okey, akhir sekali kita ada model kapal terbang. Kita ada aircraft model Airbus 320 dan juga Airbus 330 AirX. Is extra long, lebih panjang dan lebih besar. Okey, kalau beli dekat luar 169, kalau beli dekat airport tadi 145. Kita jual hari ni RM125 saja. Yang kecil RM125, yang besar pun RM125 juga. Okey, so kecil besar sama harga je kita jual. It's very high quality metal, ada stand, ada roda. So boleh bergerak dan juga boleh terbang. Okey, so anda campak dia
untuk hari ini. Terima kasih dan happy shopping. We also accept payment by cash and also card for merchandise item. Thank you and happy shopping.
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finding. I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest. I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the prime and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, get it, bro.
recommend Kilo Windows that's fully open. Several presentation as if
I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch, poppin', spittin' hot shit, I'm dropping, chronic, I think I'm motherfucking watching it. Back, better back, making racks where it's at, and my back to the mat, running back, that's a fact, we attack in a pack, no we got, keep the black up the back, all I'm black, not the stop, going down, give a crap, we relay some of that, got a plan better than most players, goddamn, all my rhymes till I got, never lie, that's a lie, I don't try, I can try, get the time, that I'm right, yeah. Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. One roll, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, looking for some real time. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhyme. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, get it, bro. So now just let me get it. Yeah, let's go.
one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never did fall. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion and raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habit, I don't fucking ask it, I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, passionate, planning to have it. So I will go capture it, and I'ma stay after it. I'ma fucking master it, put them on blasting. They will never last it, don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic, this shit is democratic. They vote to
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. And I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the prime and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the ride.
I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God, get it, bruh. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God, I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never did fall. I got this, and I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, then I stopped it. Never cautious, rock it. I'm the hardest. Knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm about to fucking toss it. Back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. And my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, no react, no react. Think I'm black, up his back. All I'm black, not the step. Going down, leave a crack. We're advanced, I'm the best. Got a plan better than most players. Goddamn, I'm a bomb till I got. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I can cry. Get the nine, I don't fight, yeah.
Yeah, hopping in and out the studio like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows, how it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. One roll, here I go, all these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly, everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it, I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, looking for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God, get it, bruh. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God, I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never did fall. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion and that's when it happens. Factions take actions, wrapped in their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habit, I don't fucking ask it, I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, passionate, planning to have it. So I will go capture it, and I'ma stay after it. I'ma fucking master it, put them on blasting. They will never last it, don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic, this shit is democratic. They vote to vex that bitch.
Something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. And I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the prime and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the ride.
I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God, get it, bruh. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God, I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never did fall. I got this, and I got it. I will not quit.
at the studio like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. One row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All the social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, looking for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up.